So, paano ba ako nag-withdraw sa COL Financial account ko? Kung makikita ninyo, andito tayo sa website mismo ng COL Financial. So, ilalagay ko dito yung aking user ID and then yung password and then click lang yung login. Alright? And then, okay. So, na-open natin yung account natin. So, kung makikita ninyo, hanapin nyo yung trade tab. So, ayun, trade. Click lang natin dyan. Pag-click natin, makikita ninyo dito sa ibaba yung portfolio. Okay, so click natin dyan, portfolio. Pag-click natin dyan, lalabas dito yung cash balance. So, meron tayong cash balance na pwede nating may withdraw. And then, click natin dito yung withdrawal request. Click natin dyan. And then, meron siyang important announcement. So, kailangan basahin ninyo yan. Basahin ninyo yung maigi. So, make sure na yung meron kayong naka-enroll na bank account. And click yung okay. Pag-click natin dyan, ayun. So, mapupunta tayo dito. So, magkano ba ang i-withdraw natin dito? So, maglagay tayo ng 500. So, or you can also check your view balance para ma-sure ninyo kung magkano ang pwede ninyong may withdraw. Close natin yan. Balik tayo doon. And deposit to enrolled bank account. So, mas prefer ko na i-deposit mismo sa enroll na bank account ko. So, may other ways. So, i-check lang ninyo yan. So, click natin yung yes. And make sure na ito yung bank account number ninyo. Click on confirm. Pwede din ninyong i-update yan. Since tama yung bank account number ko. Click lang natin yung submit. Pag-click lang submit, click ulit lang yung submit. Okay, and dito ilalagay, i-enter niyo yung password niyo and then click on confirm. Okay. So, yun, withdrawal request. So, basahin niyo maigi yan. Lahat ng information na yan na tama. And then, after that, click lang natin yung close. Okay, so ito naman yung email na na-receive ko sa COL Financial. So, notice of debit adjustment. So, it means na yung 500 na na-withdraw natin kanina, na na-request natin, is andun na sa ating bank account. So, makakatanggap kayo ng email from COL Financial. So, you can go and check also to your, dun sa bank account ninyo. Alright, so that's it. And thank you so much for